What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to today's video. This was a pretty cool one. We rescued my buddy Cole's Mark II turbo diesel. It's 1.6 turbo, and it has been sitting for about 4 to 5 years at his parents' house. He recently bought a house, wanted to get it there so he could work on it, so we rescued it. Hope you guys like it. It's a pretty satisfying video with all of the cleaning that's involved. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think, and have a good one. Thanks for tuning in.
Messing around, calling all you freaks and nerds. You're just missing what you want. My brother's going down the drain, my sister's living the dream, but everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. We never really settled the score. Half the town screaming out in vain, the other half is fake, but everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights?